I'm Bryan Dorman. My wife and I own Clearmax Collision. We bought it about 7 years ago. We outgrew the location in the first year and had to find a bigger location, so we moved here and things just took off. We have a Garmat 3000 downdraft. Love the paint booth. Way better upgrade from our old one. We've had this one about 6 years and it's running great. Service on these booths is key. They'll come in on Fridays when we're closed and take care of our booth. They come out every 2 weeks and change the filters. We don't have any downtime anymore. Once a year they come out and recoat the booth and take care of everything, and it keeps everything up and running, so it prevents the unexpected shutdowns. My advice for any other body shop out there for taking care of a paint booth would be call Garmat and make sure you get your booth serviced and taken care of, and do it nationwide. Call them and get things taken care of.